Hello and thank you for calling the Auto Glass Helpline. Today we are doing another Spider 4 video, cutting out the windshield on this 2020 Highlander. We've already got everything pulled. I've already done a few videos on taking apart these Toyota camera shrouds. Those are pretty straightforward for the most part. So let's get started cutting out with our Spider 4 here. So we are starting on our passenger side, which again is slightly different than normal, as we usually start out on the driver's side with the bat, to give ourselves a little bit of slack here for that. And we're going to pull our loop across here and switch sides. Make sure I've got my stabity tool in my box there. And I'm going to pull out some line here and give this a poke. Go through. I don't know what engineer decided to make this unique glue line on these Highlanders. I think they did it just to annoy us, if I'm being honest. And we are going to draw out our line here. Hooked there. And obviously, since we're using a single spool, we have to accommodate that. Pull our line underneath the retainer there. There is a spot to watch out for right underneath here, and we'll come back with a one shot for that little doodad to watch out for. Let's go up top. Looks like everything else, make sure you are under your glass up there. And looks like we need to take away some of our slack. A little bit short on our line here, no big deal. Oop. Make sure you look across, because that could have been a broken line there. We were right over the top of this corner here. Okay, take up our slack here. Make sure you are clear of all of your body clips, so we don't want to snap any of those. And leave a little bit more slack here. And grab a drill and get to cutting. Make sure our cup's nice and tight. Get our dash guards in place here, since we are kind of pulling across our dashboard here a bit. Let go. there, make our switch. And just like in our last video, we're trying to utilize this spindle or pulley inside here as much as possible rather than just this guy right here. So able to pull around the corner a little bit there. That was nice. And now we switch sides. Okay. Pull across the top here, make sure we are clear of our wires. Stop right there. You see we got a little fray in the line there. So we're not going to risk the brake. However, what we are going to do is we are going to run this guy down here and a little bit away. And like before, we are going to cross the streams here. Utilize this pulley here as much as possible. And with this, we should be able to pull all the way down to the corner and finish the cut. And just like that, windshield cutout with the Spider 4. And again, a tool I wasn't too sure about in the beginning. I really wasn't, like I said before, especially after using the bat for the last 2 years or so, 2.5 years now. I'm still a fan of the bat, don't get me wrong. I still prefer the bat, but this is becoming a very, very close second. Did have a request for a quarter glass removal at a body shop, and as soon as I find a viable one, then I will do so. All right, thanks for watching.